Good morning, everybody. It's July 2019. We're gonna do a little maintenance on this 2016 HD. Had it for 2 years now. Bought it brand new. I like to change my radiator cap every year and a half, 2 years. So we got the new AC Delco radiator cap. There's your part number. Got it from Rock Auto. Great group of people. You all know how to do it. Spin the old one off, put the new one on. We're done. The reason I do that is because the spring tension will eventually start to lose tension over time. So I replace them every 2 years just to keep my 16 pounds, actually that's 20 psi. Wow. So I keep my 20 psi, which keeps the radiator at the proper temperature. That's a whole nother video. We're not getting into that. But that's one thing I try to do every year. Second thing I'm going to do is change out the cabin air filter. So we're here inside the truck. Here's another thing I bought from Rock Auto. Love those guys. There's your part number. You're going to open up your glove box, and then you're going to take out these two screws right here. There's one. There's two. Okay. I'm going to pause this and pull these guys out. Alright, close this up, and then you come down here. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, there you are. And then there's one there, and there's another one somewhere in there. Where the hell are you at? There you are. We're going to go ahead and take them out. These are Torx bits, by the way. I'm using my very inexpensive Harbor Freight Torx bit. Made in China. Soon to go up in price, thanks to the tariffs. So we got those 4 screws out. You're gonna open the glove box, and then you just give it a little tug and pop it. There goes my Advil. Just gonna give it a little tug, and then there goes everything. You gotta break these metal clips free. So let me put this on pause since I'm by myself, and I'm gonna pop the glove box out. You're just gonna basically tug on it, pull it right out. Okay, so there it is. It is out. That is your glove box out of the way. Your cabin air filter is right there. And I just found something really cool. I don't know what the hell this is. What is this shit? Looks like some type of a... What is that down there? Catch pan? I don't know what that is. I'm going to have to look into that. You guys know what that is down there? Put it in the comments. So, to get the cabin air filter out, you're going to pop this clip down. Can't see, I'm blind. So you're gonna pop this clip down and pull that clip out, and then it's just hinged over here on this side. Come on, quit fighting me. You really gonna fight me today? There's a clip on top. There we go. And then there we go, got that out of the way. So that's out. And we're going to pull this out. This has been in here for about 2 years. Well, it's been in here for 3 years, but I bought the truck. It sat on a lot for a year when I bought it, so OMG. Look at that. That's nice. There's my cabin air filter. Here's the new one. We're going to put this in next. Just to give you an idea, there's new, there's old. So this, there's arrows on here that show you which way the air flows. There they are. So the air flows down through it because it's being pulled in from your vents on the outside of the dash. So there's that. And we're going to put this back in here to thunder. Now, I would normally take a shop vac and clean all that out, but there's nothing really in there. So we're going to go ahead and put this back in. So much easier with 2 hands. Get in there. And I'm just going to push it in. And there it goes. Lickety split. Brand new cabin air filter has been installed. Reinstall the clip. So when you're putting this back in, there's 2 tabs. on the bottom. There's one. There's the other one. There's this wire over here that you're going to have to push out of the way. You're going to put those two in, and then just gently push this back up. There's one click. There's two click. There's the cover to the cabin air filter. That is in. Got some spiders. Spiders. No rats though. I can deal with that. Alright, then put your glove box back in. And basically what you're going to do is you're just going to push it back in on these 4 little metal clips, which are right here. Actually, there's only 2. 2 and a plastic one. There's one there and there's one there. Line it up, push it in. So we got the clips sitting there. There we go. Nice little push. Glove box opens. Install your 4 screws. And your cabin air filter has been changed. And like I said, you should do that once a year, once every 2 years, the longest. Like I said, this has been, that's pretty disgusting. In my book. Some of you people maybe think, oh, it's perfectly fine. But, sorry, I'm not that type of guy. Put the 4 screws in, we're done. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. We appreciate all your thumbs up. Have a great day. And like I said, if you know what that piece is down at the bottom, go ahead and put that in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you, bye.